G'day team, just got to the bush, to the spot where I'm hoping to go and stay the night in with the dogs, and yeah, basically the mission for the next night and tomorrow morning will be just go and see what's around, hopefully catch a pig, maybe bump into a deer or something. There's a few grassy flats in here, so we will see what happens. So yeah, if you want to watch that sort of shit, then come along for the ride. Otherwise, this is a hunting video, so there may be scenes of dead animals and there will be coarse language, as that's part of my vocabulary. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Stay tuned.
Killers came, trailing tracks of winter rain over the river, down the wall. Oh, I watched the pack paddling on a thinning stack of summer skin in the storm. Lord, the blood did rise, featured most of the closing eyes from dusty glow back to dawn. Across the yards they ran, cutting paths of winter slain in the steep
Just a bit of an update. I'm about, I don't know, half k from the ute, straight line. I'm just finally got into some open bush because it's been quite thick stuff. It's all like just young remo and mahui and shit like that. So just sort of gonna sneak through here. It's fucking noisy. Dog's got their nose on the ground everywhere, but I can't see any sign of anything, so whether something just walked through, I don't know. This fucking carcass going nuts, cicadas going nuts. I'm just going to sneak through, and then down here somewhere there's a side creek, and I'm just going to wait there for a little bit and then just sort of cut up and then mosey my way back out towards the track, because they'll be coming straight into the breeze, but the breeze has sort of died down here now, so anyway, I'll carry on. See if we can find something. I don't know how well this will come out on video, but this tree is fucking massive. It'll be, I don't know, it must be a good 100 and I would say it's 120 odd metres tall. Be around that anyway. Again, this is my grass. Just managed to push me out of the bush. There's been something walk through here in the direction I'm going, so we'll see. no breeze now. We'll carry on back towards the ute. Back at the ute. Yeah. I'll head for home. She's pretty dead. I only covered a small area, of course, but certainly can't warrant hanging around the night and being here tomorrow morning. I'll bloody quietly mosey on out with the dogs running, and they pick something up, go off the track somewhere. It's getting to that time of night. Yeah, I'll just pack this tent up and then get out of here. Touch in with you later on, whether we get something or not. Sweet.